Good students, today we will study about differentiate and derivative. Some important formula to solve differentiations formula, differentiate and derivative. For this solution, some important formula. Before it, I have taught you some formulas in serial number 3 and serial number 2 before it, and some rest formula. Today I will tell you. First to fifth cases formula in serial number 2 and serial number 3, 6 to 8 formula are in serial number 3. After this rest formula will be in serial number 4. Okay then, here case 9, d upon dx tan x is equal to sec square x. This is the formula to solve a differentiative problem. For this, on this basis, I will give you an example as which is y is equal to sec x differentiate y is equal to differentiate y is equal to sec x plus 2 tan x. Okay then, y is equal to sec x plus 2 tan x and minus 3 cos x. Okay student, solve it. Solution: differentiating with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to d upon dx sec x plus d upon dx 2 tan x minus 3 d upon dx cos x. Can write. Okay student, here dy by dx is equal to d upon dx sec x, d upon dx sec x. Sec x means sec x log x. Okay student, sec x, no, this is wrong, sin x, sin x, sin x. Okay student, d upon dx sin x cos x, d upon dx sin x, we get cos x plus 2 d upon dx tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x. Okay student, minus 3 d upon dx cos x minus sin x, minus sin x. Okay student, then we get here dy by dx is equal to cos x plus 2 sec square x minus multiplying minus we get plus 3 sin x, which is answer. Okay student, these types of problems you can solve by this formula. And after this, second formula, as we get y is equal to d upon dx. Case 10, d upon dx sec x, d upon cot x, here cot x, cot x, d upon dx cot x minus cosec square x, cosec square x. Okay then, on this basis I give you an example as y is equal to 2 upon tan x, differentiate y is equal to, differentiate y is equal to 2 upon tan x, 2 upon tan x plus 3 tan x. Okay student, differentiating both sides, solution differentiating with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, we write here 2 tan x. Tan x 1 upon tan x we write cot x. Okay then, on this, therefore 1 by tan x we write here cot x plus 3 d upon dx tan x. Okay then, here dy by dx 2 d upon dx cot x minus cosec square x plus 3 d upon dx tan x sec square x. Okay student, therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 2 cosec square x plus 3 sec square x, which is answer. Okay student, after this, next formula case 11. Case 11, here d upon dx sec x, d upon dx sec x is equal to sec x tan x. Okay student, sec x tan x. This is a formula. On this basis, I give you an example which is 10. Okay student, y is equal to differentiate y is equal to cos x 2 cos x plus 2 cos x plus 3 tan x, or you can write here sec x, 2 sec x. Differentiating with respect to both sides, both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to 2 upon dx cos x plus 3 d upon dx sec x. Okay student, and here 2 cos x minus sin x and 3 d upon dx sec x tan x. Here we write minus 2 sin x plus 3 sec x tan x, which is answer. Okay student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay student, after this I give you second example as differentiate y is equal to 1 plus sec x 5 sec x. Solution: differentiating with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to d upon dx 1 plus 5 d upon dx sec x. Okay then, and here we write dy by dx, d upon dx of 1 is the constant, therefore we get the value of this 0, and here 5 d upon dx sec x tan x, therefore we get dy by dx is equal to 5 sec x tan x, which is answer. Okay student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. And last question, it's case number 12. Case number 12, log d upon dx cosec x, d upon dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. On this basis, I give an example: differentiate y is equal to 1 plus cosec x, Solution for this: differentiating both sides, with respect to x both sides, we get dy by dx equal to d upon dx 1 plus d upon dx cosec x. Okay student, here we get it is d upon dx of 1 is constant, then we get 0, and d upon dx by this formula minus cosec x cot x, then we get dy by dx is equal to minus cosec x cot x. This is answer. These types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.